Bridging loan explained easily for beginners. If you do like the video, please like, comment, and share it. To stay up to date with my latest videos on mortgage and real estate in general, kindly subscribe if you have not done so yet. A bridge loan is a type of temporary loan secured by an existing home before selling the existing house to move to a new home. Sometimes people get in the situation where they are looking to buy a new house, so they put their own home on the market, which gets sold first before they're able to close on their new house. While this sounds ideal, this is typically not the case, because you will usually have to close on your new home before the old one sells. The hard part is trying to figure out how to pay for both houses at the same time until you sell the old one. Bridging loans are like signature loans and are common so that you can take out a home equity line of credit to be able to bridge the gap between the sale of the new house and the old one. Or you could also do cash out mortgage refinancing. You will need to apply for this type of loan to see if you will qualify, attaching it to an asset such as a car or a recreational vehicle. You need your down payment money to be seasoned so that your lender will see you have a history, and getting a bridging loan may not provide that proof. In order to know if you fulfill the requirements, you will want to talk to a loan officer, and they can explain the options and requirements more fully to you. Bridging loan rates. In order to close a loan, you will typically need to have the down payment in full, so you might have been planning on using the money from the sale of the old home. There are two loans that can help you as bridging loans to cover the difference while you wait for your old house to sell, and these are a mortgage refinance or a home equity line of credit. A bridging loan will possibly have a higher interest rate, but will be smaller compared to a full-out mortgage, and will also help you to transition smoother to your new home. Bridging loan qualifications. You will probably not qualify for a bridging loan if you need to get a bad credit mortgage, but otherwise it could be a great benefit to you if you are having a hard time selling your old home. After you sell the house and are settled into the new one, be sure and pay off your bridging loan as soon as you can, providing it will not put you in any financial trouble.
Advanced Vaginal Tightening Gel and Intimate Wash Set. Tightening Gel. Fast-acting vaginal tightening gel. Feel tight and fresh. Be a virgin again. Intimate Wash. A natural alternative for vaginal yeast infection, vaginitis, fishy vaginal odor, vaginal itching, vaginal burning, vaginal discharge. Be fresh and tight from now on.